All right, so with any spare time that you might have, I'd like you to try to help fill up our question banks. What that means is our quiz question banks. What that means is if you go into, you have TA accessibility, so if you go into the home page of our course and then go into quizzes here, over here to the right, you can manage question banks. And what that's going to do is open up a variety of different question banks that we've kind of been compiling over the years. And let's see, this is the list of the question banks here. And we can start with chapters 11 and work our way down because that's where we're at right now. So if, for example, I go into 11.25 to 11.79, and then I click on this here, and I see we have 8 questions in here. And what usually happens is the students are given at random a number of questions from this bank. And so the larger this bank is, the more random the questions will be, and the harder it'll be for students to kind of cheat off of each other. So the chapter 11, 11.25 to 11.79 question bank refers to problems 11 through, let me spread this out just a little bit here, 11.25 to 11.79 in the back of the chapter. So we go to chapter 11 here, and I can look at some of these question review problems 25 to 79, and then I can find one that maybe I'm familiar with it because that students need help with it because I'm tutoring them and I see that a lot of them don't understand what's going on, whatever it is, and then I can go into here and say add a question, all right, and then I can go from the book, and so here's a question, for example. Paste it there. Did that work? Nope, that didn't work. Let's try it again. There we go. So I see that I have to fix up a few things, right, which you would want to do to make it look good. And then you want to change some of the values. You don't want it to be exactly the same, right? You don't want the exact same problem, but you want the problem to be shifted slightly. And then you put the answers in here. Make sure you have the correct answer. It doesn't matter if you randomize the answer's location because they'll be randomized at the end. But when you're done with that, you can say update question. And then when that's done, you'll have another question that the students can be ready to able to answer. Okay, so that's what I'd like you to do with any spare time that you have. Go through here and try to strengthen these question banks by increasing the number that's in them. I think I would, if I were you, focus again on 11. Only go up to 19 because that's probably where we'll get more frequently in the course for now, and then you don't want to put a ton of questions in here and a ton of questions in here. You want to just kind of a couple in each one and then move your way down towards 17, 18, 19, and then maybe start over again and get a couple in each one. Another option, if you don't have the book, is to take something like question 2 here, copy it, add a question, and then just paste it, and then just change again, make a slight modification in here, and then you're ready to write down different answers for this problem, right? Or you can even go up here and look and find out what the answers were for that one and get the right answers that way. Okay, so a couple of ways to bolster our quiz question banks. All right, thank you very much.